Do you have thousands of photos on Facebook and want to download them all at once? No more saving photos one by one. In this video, I'll show you the fastest official way to download every Facebook photo and video directly to your computer. This method works on desktop, keeps original quality, and can download your entire Facebook history in just a few clicks. First, open Facebook on your desktop browser. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy and click Settings. Then go to the Account Center. Now scroll to Information and Permissions. Click Export your information, then click Create Export. Select the profile you want to export in case of multiple profiles. Select Export to Device. This is Facebook's official backup tool that lets you export everything from your account. Now click on Customize Information. To make the download smaller and faster, click Clear All. Then select only photos and videos. If your photos are inside posts, you can also select posts. Set the date range to all time if you want every photo. Choose HTML format because it's easier to browse later. Then set media quality to high for the best photo quality. Now click Create Files. Facebook will start preparing your backup. Depending on how many photos you have, this may take a few minutes or even a few hours. Once your file is ready, Facebook will notify you. Go to Available Files, click Download, enter your password, and save the zip file to your computer. After downloading, extract the zip file. Your photos will usually be organized into folders, making them much easier to back up to Google Drive or an external hard drive. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded all your Facebook photos in one click. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and check out my other tech tutorials.